Now doubt lecture of mole concept, page number 96, practice problem number 2. Practice problem number 2, calculate the percentage of pure oxygen in 50 gram of KClO3 of 60% purity. 60% purity, K equal to 39, chlorine equal to 35.5, and oxygen is equal to 16. Okay, oxygen is equal to 16. Calculate the percentage of pure oxygen in 50 gram of KClO3. KClO3 oxygen શું કહે છે કે KClO3 છે એમાં ઓક્સિજન કેટલું હોય? If it is 60% purity, તો અહીંયા લખો pure 50 ગ્રામ છે પણ એ 60% purity છે. So pure KClO3 is 60% of 50 gram. 60 upon 100 into 50. 2s are 3s are. So 30 gram of pure KClO3 exists. Side में रखो. Now GMM of KClO3 is potassium, chlorine, 3 oxygen. Potassium is 39, chlorine is 35.5, 3 oxygen is 16. 39, 35.5, 48, and answer is 39 plus 35.5 plus 48. Answer is 122.5. 122.5 gram. That is pure. 39 plus 35.5 plus 48 is 122.5 gram. Now GMM of gram molecular mass of kitla oxygen છે? 3 oxygen, because oxygen 3 છે. So 3 times oxygen, and 3 into 16, 48 gram. Got it? હવે અહીંયા ફરીથી જોઈએ. Calculate the percentage of pure oxygen. Percentage of પહેલા pure oxygen લઈએ. પહેલા આ GMM તો pure જ હોય. 122.5 gram of pure KClO3 possess or have 48 gram of oxygen. Okay, 122.5 gram 48 gram oxygen હોય તો આપણી પાસે 30 gram છે KClO3, pure KClO3. So 30 gram of pure KClO3 have how much oxygen? So pure oxygen equal to 30 into 48, 30 into 48 into upon 122.5. That is 30 into 48 divided by 122.5 is 11.75. 11.75 gram. However, 11.75 gram not actually in a 30 gram, 30 gram in a pure 30 gram, the oxygen is 11.75 gram. But we have to find the percentage of oxygen is given in pure 50 gram. So here is percentage of oxygen equal to total 50 gram છે. Total 50 gram માં 11.75 into 100. 50 2s are 11.75 into 2. That is 23.51% pure oxygen in the sample of 50 gram. 23.5 or a 51. That is the answer. डाउट है भाई, डाउट लेक्चर. नाउ पेज नंबर 96. हाँ तो देखो पेज नंबर 100. पेज नंबर 100. प्रैक्टिस प्रॉब्लम नंबर 2. પ્રેક્ટિસ પ્રોબ્લેમ નંબર 2. એમાં સેકન્ડ અને થર્ડ બે ડાઉટ્સ છે. અ હાઇડ્રોકાર્બન contain 92.31% carbon if molecular weight of hydrocarbon is 78. Calculate the molecular formula. Calculate molecular formula. Okay, चलो यहाँ જોઈએ. पहला बॉक्स बनाइए. एलिमेंट हाइड्रोकार्बन. एमा कार्बन इज 92.31%. So what is hydrogen? Hydrocarbon only carbon and hydrogen only two compound it possess and total 100%. So percentage of hydrogen is 100 minus 92.31. 0 0 0 9 9 9 and 10. 10 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 यानी हाइड्रोजन परसेंटेज is 7.68%. Now make box बनाओ. एलिमेंट कार्बन and हाइड्रोजन. Okay, now its percentage weight is 92.31% and 7.68%. Third box is atomic weight. Atomic weight is 12 and 1. And relative number of moles. Number of moles is 92.31 divided by 12 and 7.68 divided by 1, and the answer is 92.31 divided by 12 equal to 7.69 and 7.68 or 69 by 1 is 7.68. Now move the number, simple mole number ratio of atom. Simple whole number ratio of atom. 7.69, 7.68 divided by 7.68 is near about 1. Both numbers 69, 68 both are same. Divided by 7.68 is 1. Both are 1. Okay. Hence, empirical formula equal to CH. Carbon 1, hydrogen 1. Both are 1. Okay. હવે આગળ શું કરવાનું છે? તમને શું આપ્યું છે? Calculate the molecular formula if molecular formula weight આપ્યું છે. molecular formula weight તો n પહેલા ફાઇન્ડ કરો ને. n is molecular formula weight upon empirical formula weight. Empirical formula weight શું થાય? કાર્બન empirical formula which is equal to carbon and hydrogen. Carbon 12 plus 1, that is 13 gram. So empirical formula weight is 13 gram. नीचे आ गई हो. Molecular formula weight is 78. 6. So N is 6. N is 6. So molecular formula is equal to 6 into empirical formula. यानी 6 into CH. So C6H6 because empirical formula is CH. So C6H6 is empirical formula. Okay. Number 3.